what is VWAP?
So VWAP, that's mostly used by day traders, but it's a mixture of a moving average, and what else is it? I think it's an exponential
Volume
moving average.
indicator, isn't it?
What is it? Yeah, volume.
Is it a volume indicator? It's volume.
Yeah, volume and a moving average combined.
Gotcha. So volume weighted average. Okay, so okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Is that a good indicator or is it pretty standard?
Well, on a day trade perspective, people use that like as just like I use this as a way to get out, like when my moving average is crossed over.
Oh,
People will use that as a bullish indicator or a bearish indicator. So if price action is occurring below the VWAP, then you'll know that, oh, it's kind of a bearish move, and it's mostly for intraday day trading. So you can go in there and, you know, short the stock or buy a put or whatever as the price continues to move below that VWAP. On the other side, if it crosses up above, which is why we have it in the alerts, it alerts you to go look at your chart and say, hey, it would be passing up above this, you know, like we got to cross here. So let's pretend this is the VWAP. Price is crossing up above the VWAP, and that would signal you in to go buy it, go bullish.